Welcome children. In this session, we will do maths activity. I will write down the question, explain you how you have to do and what will you do. After watching the video, you will copy the question. You will first take a fresh page of your maths notebook, write down maths activity, okay, and date, and write down this is for PT2. Clear? Then write the first question, do the work, turn the page. Like this we will do 4 questions. And don't forget to write down your name and roll number also. Is it clear? So I am repeating. What will you do? You will take a page. You will write down here maths project or maths activity for PT2. Then you will write down the information, name, class, roll number. Is it clear? Like this you will do. Now let's begin with the work. The first question is, draw a circle with radius 3.9 centimeters. What do you have to do? You have to draw a circle. Any circle you can draw taking any shape, but here it is precisely mentioned the radius should be 3.9 centimeters. So for this you get ready with your compass and ruler and sharp pointed pencil. What you do children, take out your ruler, check the ruler should be accurate, it should not be damaged, and marking of 0 should be there, else you move from 1 and start. Now over this you place the compass. Now for compass also remember it should be tight. What happens when you measure and in the meantime when you bring it here, the measurement gets changed. So it should be tight enough. Screw it tight. Now place the compass over this ruler and like here you have 1, 2, 3, see somewhere you will have 3.9. Bring your compass needle and the pencil point where you have till 3.9. Measure it on this compass, this radius. You mark a point O and without changing, please check without changing the measurement. You can mark this later. Place the needle at this point, or if you don't want let it be, don't change. Once you have measured, directly bring it here. Place the needle at this. This will be your center and drag it and get a circle. You get a circle. But what is a circle with radius? So with scale, you take out your ruler, draw a line and write down 3.5 centimeters. What is this? This is your radius. And then you will measure diameter for me and tell me what is the diameter. Okay, this is your part. You know what is diameter? Twice of radius is diameter. Or when a line crosses the center from each circumference, it will touch the circumference of the circle from both sides. Straight line. This is your diameter. Okay, you have to measure diameter also. So for this, don't do dirty work. From here only, draw one line like this. With scale you measure. And then after measuring, you will check whether this is a 3.9. So what is 3.9? This is your cross check. You will do the cross check on your own. 3.9 into 2. 2 9s are 18, carry 1, the 6 and 7. So you should get 7.8 centimeters. Are you getting 7.8? If not, see, you may get 1 centimeter less or more. The reason is your pencil is not pointed. Okay, so place the dot properly and don't change. Once you put it at center, at one go draw a circle. Second reason is this, we change. We keep on changing our hand and edges. Don't do that adjustment. Now the second question is, write down, draw a line. This time you have to draw a line segment with 7.3 centimeters. So for this, children, when we have to draw a line segment and you have to construct it, because here you also write down using ruler and compass. So if you have to draw using ruler and compass, that means we are constructing a line. So for this, first, without measurement, you draw a line. See, infinite line is this only, 2NC, you have arrow, that means you can extend it to other side. So we are just drawing a line. And here let me label, draw a line segment, write down CD. Which line segment? CD. So now what you do, first step is draw a line without measurement. Second point is mark a point C on line AB. To this line you mark anywhere point C. Third step will be you place your ruler just like what you have done for the circle. You place your compass over the ruler and measure 7.3 centimeters. So stretch it, adjust your compass and measure 7.3. Now taking C as center. C as center means the middle of the compass, the point will be here, and cut an arc. This point of intersection, label it as D. What is this? See, this is us. Draw a line segment CD of 7.3 centimeters. Got it? So this is how you will draw a line. Now the third question is, you will draw a perpendicular. Write down, draw a perpendicular where on a line, I will write down the question from the book. You have this, take it. This is from chapter geometry. Wait, because I will draw a perpendicular where point should be on that line. So exactly what it is called, let me write down here. Perpendicular, right? Wait, just 2 minutes. Perpendicular to a line through a point on it. Perpendicular to a line through a point on it. That means, now first thing is, what do you mean by perpendicular? Perpendicular means when two lines intersect. See, two lines, when they will intersect, angles are formed and these angles are right angle. Okay, this is the meaning of perpendicular. So first you have to draw a line, and what is the condition? That when you draw a perpendicular from this line, there is one point P already. Take it as point P or point X, anything. Now here the first step is, take out your compass. Take a small radius, थोड़ा सा उसको extend कर, place it at point X, taking X as center, draw an arc. Got it? Now after that you extend the radius, थोड़ा सा और उसको बाहर करना. Radius should now be extended, greater. Now this point, you take this point as P1 and this as P2. Taking P1 as center, this, when you have extended, place it at P1 as center, draw an arc. Without changing the measurement, take from P2. Now P2 will be your center. Taking P2 as center to this, cut an arc. Take out your ruler, mark a point. This point of intersection is there, mark it as a point. Take out your ruler and join the line. You will see what is this? Two lines, see, two lines intersecting at an right angle. Got it? This is third part of your project. Now the fourth question is same thing. You have to draw a line through should not be there. Not on it. Through a point, write down, not on it. This is also very easy. You have to draw a perpendicular to a line, draw a line where point is not on this line. So take any way, take here point P. What you do, from here, see carefully, extend the radius. Now keeping P as center, I have extended the compass radius, taking P as center and then just drag it, okay, in one go. Understood what we have done? First draw a line, take a point P, extend the radius. Now taking P as center, radius तो बड़ा होता है, P में center, जहाँ भी point, pencil point you have, from there you drag it and draw an arc. After that you label this again as P1 and P2. Now what will you do? Take the compass and measure, extend it and measure this radius. After measuring the radius, take it at P1. Take it P1 as center, draw an arc, P2 as center, draw an arc. So you will see it will cross the point, okay, and you will get a perpendicular bisector. So these are the 4 questions which you have to do for your maths activity. Submit your work to me on Google Classroom as soon as possible. God bless you, children.